We are Okrikans. Our rights and privileges have been trampled upon by our neighbors in Eleme LGA of Rivers State. The people of Okrika are a peace-loving people who have long existed before the 12th century AD. Our heritage is our pride. Our landmass borders around the coastal areas of Old Port Harcourt Township, Okrika coastal areas and beyond. On the 24th day of March 1958, we had a landmark judgment which gave us the right of possession and occupation up to 1,000 feet from the high water mark uplands covering 101 settlements. It is most disheartening to mention that nearly all our settlements have been taken over by Nigerian Ports Authority, Intels, and the Federal Ministry of Transport for the purpose of expanding the Federal Ocean Terminal Port Complex without due regard and compensation for the people of Okrika. We had made concerted efforts to reach the authorities concerned to recognize Okrika communities as co-landlords. All proved futile. We staged a peaceful protest in the early hours of Monday, 17th November 2014, with the approval of the Inspector General of Police, IGP, in order to drive home our demand. To our greatest dismay, we were met with fierce resistance from our neighbors, who came out in their numbers with dangerous weapons and unleashed harm on the harmless demonstrators, who were mainly men and women from Okrika. As we speak, some persons are still bedridden. We therefore call on the relevant authorities to come to our aid before things get out of hand. They say a stitch in time saves 9. We are calling on the relevant authorities to come to our aid. It's a way of informing them that we have been sidelined, we have been marginalized, and we can't take things for granted any longer.